Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna give you the best skincare tip for this summer. So let's start it without any further. So this skincare gonna be divided into 6 steps. You have to follow these 6 steps. Number 1 is choose a gentle face and wash your face twice a day. It will gonna clean your face deeply. So second step is massage your face with ice cubes. Take some ice cubes and rub it on your face for 5 minutes. It will help to close your pores. Now let's move on to step number 3, which is applying a toner. You have to choose a perfect toner for your skin. And step number 4. Step number 4 is a moisturizer. Apply moisturizer. Then step number 5, you have to apply a sunscreen to protect your skin to sun damage. And guys, if you are not using a sunscreen, so you are doing a very biggest mistake, because you have to include the sunscreen on your skincare because it will boost your skin texture and it will make your skin glowy and glass like skin. You can also achieve a glass like skin just applying a sunscreen daily, and it will protect your skin from the sun damage. So please do include a sunscreen in your skincare routine. Let's move on to step number 6. So step number 6 is lip balm. Daily use a lip balm to hydrate your lips, and it will also lightening your lips if you have a dark lips. So please do include a lip balm on your skincare. So guys, these all are the 6 steps of basic skincare in summer. So all you need is just follow this skincare in summers and you will definitely achieve your dream skin, glossy skin in the summers. And if you find this video helpful, so please do like and subscribe my channel.